What if you could turn your script into a voiceover without recording a single word? Maybe your house is noisy. Maybe you do not like hearing your own voice. Or maybe recording voiceovers just takes too much time. That is where AI text-to-speech can help. In this video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech to turn your script into a natural AI voiceover step by step. And yes, the voice you are hearing in this video was created with ElevenLabs too. Hi friend, welcome to YaYa Creator Hub. Today, we are going to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech to create an AI voiceover from text. This is helpful if you want to make YouTube tutorials, faceless videos, product videos, shorts, reels, TikToks, or other content without recording your own voice every time. Before we start, quick note. AI tools can change anytime. Features, pricing, credits, and plans may be different later, so always check the official ElevenLabs website for the newest information. Also, some links in my description may be affiliate links. That means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now, let's get started. First, go to ElevenLabs and log into your account. After you log in, you will see your dashboard. On the left side menu, look for text-to-speech. In my dashboard, text-to-speech is pinned on the left menu, so I can click it directly from there. You may also see Studio in the menu. Studio is useful for longer projects, but I want to show you what happens when we start from regular text-to-speech first. If your dashboard looks a little different, do not worry. ElevenLabs may update the layout over time. Just look for text-to-speech, or the area where you can type text and generate speech. Click text-to-speech to continue. After text-to-speech opens, you will see the voice generation page. This is where you can turn your written script into spoken audio. You will see a text box where you can type your script, or you can copy and paste your script from another place, like Google Docs, Notion, or ChatGPT. Before you paste a long script, I recommend preparing your script first. Make sure your intro, steps, call to action, and outro are almost final before you generate the voice. This can help you save credits because you will not need to regenerate too many times. Now, I'm going to paste my script into the text box. Quick note before we continue. When I pasted my script into regular text-to-speech, ElevenLabs showed a message that says, Try Studio 3.0. It says it looks like I'm generating long-form content, and it suggests using Studio to optimize the workflow. That makes sense because my script is close to the 5,000 character limit in regular text-to-speech. So if your voiceover is short, regular text-to-speech is simple and easy. But if your script is longer, like a full YouTube video script, Studio may be a better option. For this video, I'm going to click Try it out and use Studio for this longer voiceover. This is helpful because you can manage longer content more easily instead of trying to squeeze everything into the regular text-to-speech box. After clicking Try it out, ElevenLabs opens Studio. Studio is where you can work with longer scripts and manage a bigger voiceover project. You can still choose your voice, paste your script, generate audio, and download the final result. So the main idea is the same. Regular text-to-speech is great for shorter voiceovers. Studio is better when your script is longer or when you want to manage a full video voiceover in one project. Now choose the voice you want to use for your text. ElevenLabs has different voices you can try. You can use voices from the library, voices you saved, or a custom voice you created. For this video, I'm using my own designed voice called Cheerful Influencer. This is the custom voice I created in my last video using ElevenLabs voice design. So if you want to see how I created the voice you are hearing right now, I'll link that video in the description and on the screen. You can watch it after this tutorial. For now, choose the voice you want to use, then we can move to the next step. After choosing your voice, paste your script into the text area. For best results, try to use short and clear sentences. For example, instead of writing one very long sentence, break it into 2 shorter sentences. This can help the AI voice sound more natural and easier to understand. Also, check your spelling before generating the voice. If a word is spelled wrong, the AI may say it wrong too. For brand names, tool names, or hard words, I recommend checking them carefully. Words like ElevenLabs, Canva, CapCut, YouTube, affiliate, and voiceover should be spelled clearly. If the AI says a word strangely, you can try rewriting the word in a simpler way or breaking the sentence into smaller parts. Next, check your voice settings. Depending on your account and the voice you choose, you may see settings like stability, similarity, style, speed, or model options. If you are new, I recommend starting with the default settings first. Do not change too many things at once. If the voice sounds too flat, you can try making it a little more expressive. If the voice sounds too dramatic, lower the style or expression. If the voice sounds too fast, adjust the speed if that option is available. The goal is not to make it perfect. The goal is to make it clear, natural, and comfortable to listen to. Next, choose the model. For my designed voice, ElevenLabs recommended Multilingual V2, so that is what I'm using for this tutorial. Here is the simple difference. Multilingual V2 is better when you want a clear, natural, and consistent voiceover. This is great for tutorials, long scripts, and educational videos. 11 V3 Alpha is more expressive and emotional. It can be great for character voices, storytelling, and dramatic scenes. It also supports audio tags, like laughs, whispers, sighs, or emotional direction. For this video, I'm using Multilingual V2 because I want the voice to stay stable and easy to understand. If you are new, I recommend starting with Multilingual V2 first. Then later, you can test V3 Alpha when you want more expressive or dramatic voiceovers. Now click Generate. ElevenLabs will turn your text into an AI voiceover. After it finishes, listen to the audio carefully. Check if the voice sounds natural. Also check for wrong pronunciation, strange pauses, words that sound too fast, or sentences that feel too long. If something sounds wrong, do not regenerate your whole script. Fix only the sentence or section that needs changes. Then generate that small part again. This is one of the best ways to save your credits. Here is something important I learned while using ElevenLabs. If your script is very long, the regular text-to-speech tool may hit the character limit. And even when the text fits, a very long generation may not always sound exactly the same from beginning to end. For example, when I tried a longer script, the voice sounded slightly different in another part of the generation. So my tip is to keep your voiceover sections manageable. If you are using regular text-to-speech, try not to force a very long script into one box just because it fits the limit. Keep the section natural and complete. Do not cut a sentence in the middle. End at a good stopping point like the end of a paragraph or the end of a step. If your script is too long for regular text-to-speech, Studio may be a better option for longer narration. That is why I'm using Studio for this longer video script. Once you like the voiceover, click Export. You may see a few export options, depending on what you want to download. Choose the option that works best for your project. Then wait for ElevenLabs to finish exporting the audio. When the export is ready, you can download the file to your computer. Now you have your audio file ready for your content. You can add it to your video editor, like CapCut, Canva, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, or any editor you like. And that's it, your text has now become a voiceover. Before we finish, here are my quick tips to save ElevenLabs credits. First, finish your script before generating the voice. Do not use your credits while you are still rewriting your script. Second, use short and clear sentences. This can help the AI voice sound more natural and reduce mistakes. Third, test with a short line first. Make sure you like the voice, model, and settings before generating a longer script. Fourth, try not to keep creating too many new voices. I learned this the hard way. In the beginning, I used a lot of credits testing different voices, settings, and styles. But once you find a voice you like, keep using it. For me, I use my designed voice, Cheerful Influencer, because I want my videos to have a consistent voice style. That way, I can spend more credits on real voiceovers instead of endless testing. So that is how to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech to create an AI voiceover. You choose a voice, paste your script, check your settings, choose a model, generate the audio, and download it for your content. It is simple, but it can make your content feel more polished and professional. If you are a beginner creator, this can be helpful for YouTube videos, faceless content, tutorials, social media videos, and product videos. And if recording your own voice is slowing you down, AI text-to-speech can be a helpful option. If you want to see how I created the custom voice used in this video, watch my ElevenLabs voice design tutorial next. I'll link it in the description and on the screen. And if this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to YaYa Creator Hub, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.